If you're unhappy in your marriage or your relationship, this video is for you. Hey there, I'm Leslie Noble, and this is your daily no bullshit truth. I've been a therapist for close to 3 decades, and I help people recognize, heal from betrayal, and rewrite their stories. So I want to do a series on intimate partner betrayal because I think that clarity really helps us make good decisions about whether the relationship we're in is healthy and thriving and on the right track. So what is intimate partner betrayal? Intimate partner betrayal is when in our relationship we feel a lack of safety, connection, and trust. And one of the core dimensions of intimate partner betrayal is abandonment. There's actually 8 to 10 of them, but I'm only going to talk about the first one, and then you come back and watch each day and I'll go through each one of them. So abandonment in a relationship is when you're struggling, when there's a crisis, when you're grieving and your partner doesn't show up. So that's one way abandonment can show up. Another way abandonment can show up is when you threaten to break up or you threaten to get divorced. And I know. People do that when they fight, but that's abandonment of your partner. And I'm going to tell you why at the end of the video. And another form of abandonment is when you go cold on someone. You shut down, you refuse to talk, you freeze them out. That also is abandonment. And why that is so important to recognize and not do it in a relationship is because it can trigger attachment injuries or wounds. Particularly if your partner has had some past difficulty growing up, they grew up in a chaotic environment, and then you push that abandonment wound, your relationship's going to struggle. And so it's really important. I always tell people clarity is one thing. So if you've been doing this, forgive yourself, but do better. Because part of sustaining a long-term healthy relationship is having integrity, coming at it from emotional maturity, being the partner your partner deserves. And that starts with you. And so if you've been pushing that abandonment wound, threatening divorce because you get mad, or threatening to break up because you get mad, do better. Do better. Stop doing that. Take a breath, walk away during conflict, but don't continue to press that abandonment wound. Relationships are amazing because they have ability for the both of you to heal each other, to help each other work through some things that have happened in the past. All of us have wounds, whether it's past relationships or the way we grew up or things that have happened in school. And relationships, healthy, intimate partner relationships, are a great way to heal some of those wounds. And if we're pressing on the wounds down the way, most relationships don't end because of the one thing. They end from a death by 1,000 paper cuts. So being really aware of your behavior and holding yourself accountable is the way to not betray your partner and to have a healthy relationship that thrives. If you want to know more about intimate partner betrayal, hang in there with me. Come back tomorrow. I'm going to talk about financial deception. So see you next time. Have a great day.